Hi again, Tyra here. Welcome back. In this episode, we're going to watch the entire customer settlement process unfold, tracking your registered request all the way through to the final settlement. To track your request, simply log into your Acyuta mobile app. Head over to the Track Request tab. Click on View Details to see the complete history and details of your submitted request. Right at the bottom of the Track Request summary sheet, you'll notice the status indicator. If the status is orange, simply wait for the disposition. If the status turns red, it shows that the protection plan request has been rejected. If the status gets blue, watch out for the comments, as you need to reply back to the tire expert by providing additional tire images. To upload the additional image, just go to Edit on the top left, scroll down, add the required image, and hit Submit. Once the request is approved, you'll receive a notification. Or you can check it directly on the app where a green mark with Approved written on it confirms the approval. Now, go to View Details and press the Record Replacement button. The vehicle number will appear by default. From here, you just need to enter the current odometer reading and upload its photograph. Enter the invoice number, invoice date, and the number of tires for the new replacement tire you are issuing to the customer. Upload the invoice image, add the brand name, tire size, tire pattern, and the new tire serial number, and then press Next. Take a quick moment to check and confirm all the details, then press Submit. Just like that, the new tire is officially issued against the protection plan, and it automatically gets registered under the plan as well. Coming up in the next episode is the zonal partner settlement process, where we'll talk about how to reconcile and settle protection benefits with your zonal dealer or distributor. See you there.